Hello, when we are riding bicycle, okay, this man is riding bicycle. So the wheels of the bicycle, they are performing two types of motion. One is rotational motion, another is a translational motion. Combination of rotational motion and translational motion, nothing but rolling motion. When the body rolling down in a rolling motion, I said there are the two types of motion. One is a rotational motion, that body is making its rotation, so it is understood rotational motion. But from where the translation motion has come into the picture? You see, when the body is rotating, body has center of mass. This center of mass is moving in a straight line. It is not rotating. It is just moving from one point to another point as if a straight line motion. So center of mass of rolling motion of the rolling body performs linear motion. So in rolling motion, there are the two types of motion. One is a rotational motion, another one is a translational motion. Here, the black spot, the black round at the center, that is nothing but center of mass of the body. When the body is rolling down, then the center of mass of this body, it is moving in a straight line. There is no other option for the center of mass. Center of mass has to follow linear motion. So whenever a body performing rolling motion, the center of mass of the body performs purely translational motion. This is very important point to be noted down, that whenever a body performs rolling motion, the center of mass performs purely translational motion. When we were talking about the bicycle wheels, so bicycle wheel performing rolling motion. But if you see other side of the coin, you will find that the bicycle wheel performing rotational motion. So bicycle wheel is an example of rolling motion. So it is as well as example of rotational motion. Any rotating body, any body having rotational motion, it has to be rotational kinetic energy. So a rolling body has rotational kinetic energy. Any body, it is rotating, then it has to be rotational kinetic energy. So the wheel of the bicycle rotating about axle, so we say the wheel of the bicycle having rotational motion about axle and has rotational kinetic energy. So a body rolling down has rotational motion and having as well as the translational motion because of center of mass. The center of mass performing translational motion. So when a body rolling down, we need to talk about two types of energies. One is rotational kinetic energy and second one translational kinetic energy. So to find total energy of rolling body, we need to add rotational kinetic energy and translational kinetic energy. That is, total energy of rolling body is equals to translational kinetic energy plus rotational kinetic energy. So by addition of these two energies, we get here total energy of rolling body. One thing I want to clear here, that here I have neglected effect of friction. Friction is not considered here. I do consider that the friction is absent. In this expression, we are not going to consider the effect of friction here. So I do consider only two energies here. One is the translational kinetic energy, another one rotational kinetic energy. Now let us see how to find the expression for total energy of rolling body. Now to find the expression for total energy of rolling body, let us discuss some basic things like what is the mass of the body. The mass of the rolling body is denoted by capital M. What is the radius? Radius is r. What is the linear speed? Because we already spoken that the center of mass has the linear speed. So linear speed equals to v. That is the linear speed of center of mass. And body is rotating. Therefore, any rotating body has angular speed. So the omega equals to angular speed of rotation. And when the body is rotating, it has to have some moment of inertia. So I equals to moment of inertia. And when there is a moment of inertia, there has to be radius of gyration. So k equals to radius of gyration. And we know that moment of inertia and radius of gyration are related by I equals to mk square. Call it equation number 1. Now, rotational kinetic energy of rolling body is given by half I omega square equals to half I nothing but mk square. So half mk square multiplied by omega square. And translational kinetic energy given by half mv square. Therefore, total kinetic energy of rolling body equals to addition of rotational kinetic energy plus translational kinetic energy. So the rotational kinetic energy, that is half mk square and omega square, and translational kinetic energy, this is a translational kinetic energy, that is half mv square. And one more thing, that v equals to r omega, therefore omega equals to v upon r. Therefore this becomes half mk square and omega nothing but v upon r whole square plus half mv square. This is equals to half mk square v square upon r square plus half mv square. So total kinetic energy of rolling body equals to half taken common, taken common, taken common, v square. Then what is left here? K square upon r square plus 1. So this is required expression for total kinetic energy of rolling body. Now, after going through all this, the concept of rolling motion, I am sure when you ride your bicycle next time, you will think that what is the rotational kinetic energy of the wheel of your bicycle. Meet you again with next topic. Before saying goodbye to you, I would like to request you like, share and subscribe the channel. Meet you again with next topic. Till then, enjoy physics.